Hey everyone, today we're diving into an AI upgrade that is seriously trying to change the way we all shop online. Right in time for the holidays, Google has given its Gemini AI a massive boost, turning it from just a chatbot into, well, your very own shopping assistant. And this is more than just a cool new feature. It's a real peek into Google's grand plan for the future of shopping. So, let's see how it actually works. You know the drill, right? Just think about the last time you went to buy something online. My screen, and I'm guessing yours too, probably looked like a digital crime scene, just tons of tabs open. You've got reviews on one, different stores on another, a couple of YouTube videos, price comparisons. It's a mess. Well, Google's new update is designed to clean up all that chaos. So, say hello to the new and improved Gemini. It's been totally reimagined to be this personal shopping sidekick that does everything from inside a single chat window. The whole idea is to take you from a fuzzy thought, like, I need a gift for my cousin, all the way to hitting buy with confidence, without ever having to leave the conversation. So how exactly does it pull this off? Well, Google has rolled out 4 major upgrades that all work together to make the whole process super smooth. And each one is built to tackle a different, and let's be honest, usually frustrating part of online shopping. Let's break them down. It all boils down to these 4 steps. First, it helps you compare products, like right next to each other. Then it actually shows you your options visually. After that, you can get all the nitty-gritty details without opening 1,000 new tabs. And finally, when you're ready, it gives you a direct link to go buy it. Let's see how these all connect. Let's start with maybe the most agonizing part of shopping, making that final call. You've got it narrowed down to 2 or 3 really good options, but you're just stuck. You find yourself flipping back and forth between tabs, trying to remember, wait, which one had the better battery? Which one had that feature I wanted? It's enough to make you give up. And here is Gemini's solution. You literally just ask it to compare 2 things, like these 2 smartwatches, and boom, it spits out this super clean side-by-side comparison chart. All of a sudden, the choice is way easier. You can see right there that smartwatch B has way better battery life and more advanced tracking, and it's only $50 more. Decision made. Okay, so comparing is one thing, but what if you're not even there yet? What if you're just trying to get some ideas? You know, before, an AI might just throw a giant wall of text at you describing different products, and that's not a very fun way to shop. This is where the second upgrade comes in, and it's a big one. It replaces that wall of text with a visual shopping carousel. So now you get these nice, easy-to-scroll cards with pictures and prices, all right there in the chat. It finally starts to feel less like you're doing homework and more like you're actually, shopping. All right, so let's say one of those cards catches your eye. This is where the third upgrade, the product deep dive, kicks in. Instead of you having to leave the chat to go hunt on reviews or see what colors it comes in, Gemini just brings all of that info straight to you. I mean, just think about what that really means. You can read the official description, find out which stores sell it, and, this is the big one, read what other customers are saying about it, all without breaking your stride. The key takeaway is that your entire research process now lives in one single place. So we've done the research, we've made our comparisons, and we're finally ready to pull the trigger. This last feature is what closes the loop, connecting all that chat-based research directly to the actual purchase. And honestly, it's just as simple as it sounds. Every single product Gemini shows you now comes with clickable links. One tap, and you're on the store's website, ready to drop it in your cart and check out. It just gets rid of that last little bit of work you had to do. So when you stitch all 4 of these features together, what you really end up with is a completely new way to think about shopping. It takes what used to be a messy, tab-filled marathon and turns it into a single, straightforward conversation. So this is what that new journey looks like. You start with just an idea, maybe a gift, and you use the visual carousels to brainstorm. Then you use the comparison charts to whittle down your choices. From there, you do a deep dive into the reviews and all the details, and finally, you just click to buy. The entire process, from start to finish, all happens in one chat. So the big question, who gets to try this out? Well, according to Google, these updates are actually rolling out right now to everyone in the US. All you have to do is head over to gemini.google.com to check it out. And that really brings us to the end. When you have a tool this powerful that's designed to make everything simpler, from buying a new gadget to finding that perfect gift, it really does make you wonder, doesn't it? What are you going to shop for first?